Hi guys! It's been way too long since I vlogged and we have an exciting one today. We're gonna do a get my life together, let's be productive. We need to get everything in order for the week. Also cannot believe it's been more than a year since I vlogged on YouTube. I need to like relearn everything. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long, so just a little life catch up. The past like year I got a job. I got a big girl job and I'm loving it and it's keeping me super busy, so I feel like I've had to put my YouTube channel specifically on the back burner while I focus on like Instagram and TikTok. But I was like, the other day I was like, I really miss YouTube, like filming YouTube content, long form content, because I focus on short form content mostly. So I was like, I need to just get back into it. There's never a wrong time. Yeah, I feel like that's just the update that I have. I also have a few PR packages that I can open with you guys in a little bit once we clean my room, but let me show you what we're working with. So it's honestly not messy, it's just like stuff is everywhere. It just needs to be cleaned. So my bed, we have some PR right here. I got a bunch of new shoes, so I need to figure out how to organize that stuff also. And then my desk isn't very messy, it's just like putting away some makeup products, and the mess is mostly just from like my makeup collection stuff over here. So that's like really the whole mess that we have. But besides that, I feel like it's pretty like clean. I just need to pick up a few things and organize, and then we'll be good to go. Desk is all clean. Now we're gonna go through everything down here on the floor. Also just want to say that I killed a spider earlier right here and it was disgusting, and that is a clear sign of like why I needed to clean my room. I just want to say that I miss vlogging so much, and I watch Miss Remy all the time. I talk about her all the time, and I was just like, I need to start vlogging again. We're making it happen. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. The room is feeling so much cleaner. I put away all of the boxes over here into my sister's room because it's now kind of like my office. So now I just have to clean out my sister's room and like organize it in there. But I'm like glad I have this space in my room now just to be like empty, and then I'll keep like all my work stuff separate. But this is just like my own personal like makeup collection. And then the bottom row is like work stuff from previous months, and then I have the other stuff from more current months in my sister's room. But I feel like this just makes it look a lot cleaner and nicer without having all these boxes in the way, because my room is like pretty small right here. I put away some of the shoes here, organized them a little bit, and now I think it's time. I also vacuumed. My floor looks super clean. Now it's time to do some PR boxes. So we got all the PR here. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful to be able to even like receive PR. Like I watch PR hauls religiously and I'm always like, oh, it's such a dream to like get something from that brand, and then when you actually get it, it's just like crazy. Like I'll show you this one. Or when I saw the label, first of all, I screamed because I was so excited. Most of the time when you get PR, you don't know when it's coming. You don't know what to expect and what you're gonna get. Some brands like give out the same PR or it's like a tiered kind of situation, but you don't get an email most of the time knowing when you're gonna get something or if you're gonna get something. So when I saw this, I screamed because I saw one of my mutual friends on Instagram get this, and I was like, what a dream to get that. And then I got it and I feel so lucky and happy to get this. Look at how beautiful this is. This is from Milk Makeup, their new glosses that come out on the 13th, which is the day you're watching has already passed. But these are beautiful. I already filmed a video on TikTok if you want to go check it out, swatching all of these, but they're so pretty. I love these lip oils compared to the other ones that they have. I love this formula a lot more. And then I also got a package from I Do Care, and they reached out to me and sent over some really cute things. First of all, this headband, obsessed. It's a tiger one. I think I have the cat one and it's so cute. So I'm excited to have another one for my like little skincare routine. And then they also sent me this face mask and eye mask set. I am a face mask girly, like I am obsessed, and it just comes with a bunch of different ones. So I'm excited to try these out because I love a good face mask, especially on like a Sunday reset night. So thank you so much to the team at I Do Care for sending that over. And then we have something from Smashbox, and I love Smashbox. They're iconic. So they sent over this cute bag. Inside of it was their iconic primer, their photo finish primer. I really like this one a lot. This one just gives you like the most perfect, flawless, smooth base ever and fills in your pores. I just feel so lucky. Like, I was making a video yesterday and I was like, it's crazy thinking back to like my 14-year-old self, wishing I was like all the YouTubers that I was watching, like Manny and Laura, and like getting invited to events, getting PR and stuff like that. So it's just crazy to actually see this stuff happening. It's been like 10 years of me being on YouTube to finally see something like happening, like coming out of it, which is really cool. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I've been doing this for 10 years. Like, this does not happen overnight or anything, so it's just wild to me. And then the last thing here is my BoxyCharm from Ipsy. This is the company that I work for. I have the cutest themes every month. This is this one. I love the photography on it. So pretty. We got a huge eyeshadow palette from Iconic London. I am so excited to play with this. This is my favorite sunscreen ever from vacation, so I had to add this one. You had to choose 3 items, so I chose one of these because I am obsessed with this sunscreen. We also got this Femu eye cream, which looks really nice and luxurious. And then I also chose this overnight lip mask from Kay Voss NYC. And then the thing I'm most excited about is from Lunar Beauty, and like I said earlier, I love Manny MUA. I watch him every single week. Like, I'm obsessed with him, and this is his new liquid blush, and I cannot wait to try this out. Finally got it open. Ooh, I love this color so much. I definitely thought it was going to be a little bit more pinky, but I actually really like this color a lot. It gives me that Rare Beauty Hope vibe, and I don't have that one, and I've been wanting it. So oh, it's so pretty. This is like the perfect mauve-y pink shade, like, ever. This one's in the shade Rose Reina. I have the worst accent ever. Can you guys believe I'm half Mexican? Wow, I cannot wait to use that. Okay, so that's everything we got in our PR haul. Let's put all this stuff away, and we gotta do our bedding, and then I think we'll be good with the room cleaning. Okay, we're looking pretty clean. I just need to do my bed, but my dog is sleeping here. He looks so comfy. But pretty much everything is clean besides this, so I just need to take off everything, wash it. Those are my pajamas that are on the bed, which is fine. And then I also just cleaned the bathrooms. This is our clean bathroom. I organized all my hair products too. I'm feeling a lot better about the state of my room. I feel like now I can have like a more clean and clear mindset. I feel like when your room is messy, it makes your mind just like all over the place. So it just feels nice to have a clean room again and like not have all that clutter and everything everywhere. Once we have these in the laundry, we'll be good to go. I was bad and I just ordered Uber Eats because we don't have anything. That's why I need to go grocery shopping. So once I get my food, we'll go grocery shopping. So I think right now, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna make a list of what I need to get at the grocery store, because sometimes I just go in there blindly and I'm like, I don't know what I actually need. Okay, little update. The bedding is in the laundry. I just got dressed. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I wrote down my list of everything that I need. But yeah, we need to go grocery shopping now, pick up some stuff for the week, and then come back, put it away. Then we'll end off this vlog